Hey there, Math 7. It is Tuesday, March 31st, and this is the warm-up for today. Today is 8.4, day 2. It's an examples day, so no notes today. We're just going to practice 8.4. So I want you to try this warm-up, but I only want you to try number 1, number 2, and number 5. Practice taking the area of shapes. Pause the video, and then we'll start reviewing. So I worked these out in a variety of different methods. For the first one, with all those jagged edges, you might just count up all the squares. And that is literally what area is. It is the space a figure covers. So if I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 square units. For number 2, I might use a different strategy. I might say, well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares that all have an area of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that there's 20 square units altogether. Number 5 is a triangle. I know the formula to find the area of a triangle, so I'm going to use it. The area to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I need to know the base and height. The height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Now I'm just going to substitute in those two things I know. 1/2, the base is 6, and the height is 6. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 times 6 is 18 square units. Sorry, that's a little bit scrunched up down there. You could also do 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. They both get you the same thing. Alright, let's practice some composite shapes. These are our 2 practice problems for the day, and I think I've said it before, but this would be the normal time that we would divide up into awesome and brilliant, and we would take one problem, and then we would go back and talk with each other and share what we wrote and all that. We don't have that luxury here, so try one or both of these examples, pause the video, try them, see if you can work them out, and then unpause and we'll go over them. Okay, I'm going to start with number 3. The steps are the same as the ones we did yesterday. You should divide that shape into parts, find the area of each part, and add up all the parts together. So in number 3, I see 2 parts. I see this rectangle attached to a triangle. So I'm going to do a rectangle and a triangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. The length of that triangle is 9. The width is 7. And if I multiply that, I'll get 63. I also have this triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 1/2. The base is 9, because this is a rectangle. This is 9. And the height is 6. Remember, you can multiply anything, any order that you want to, because multiplication is commutative. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 9 is 27. Now that I have those parts, I'm going to add them up. 63 plus 27, 90. Did I do that? I did that really quickly in my head. Is it 90? I wish I had you guys. I really do miss you guys. Square meters. Let's talk about number 4. I see 3 parts on number 4. I see this central square. It's a square because it's 2 by 2. I also see 2 circles. One right here, this is 2 half circles connected, and 2 half circles connected. That's 2 circles. But they're both the same size, so I have a square, and I have two of the exact same size circles. That area of a square is the same as the rectangle, length times width. Both the length and width are 2. Area of that center square is 4 square feet. Now we got to tackle those two circles. I'm going to start by finding one of the circles. Area is pi r squared. Now we got to go slow here at first because they gave us the diameter. The distance all the way across this circle is 2. That means that radius is only 1. Right? If diameter is 2, then the radius is 1. So I'm going to substitute in 1 squared. 1 squared is still 1, and 1 times pi, which is approximately 3.14, is approximately 3.14. Now, as we said before, there's two circles that are identical. So we'll need to multiply this by 2, or just add another one on. So I have 3.14 plus 3.14 plus 4, and I've added up all my parts together. 2 circles and a square, and all together I got 10.28 feet squared. Be sure to practice this. Try a couple problems. Try our problems on here. Try the homework problems. Come to office hours if you need help. Send me an email. You need to practice to get this. Anyway, do your homework and let me know how it goes. See you tomorrow. Bye.